Hi guys, welcome back. Today's topic is double hashing technique, which is used to resolve the collision. We have already discussed linear probing technique and quadratic probing technique. Okay, please watch out those videos. I'll provide you the link below in the description box. So let us start with double hashing technique. I'm going to take the same example. These are our keys 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 13, 7 and 12. M is 10, that is hash table का size जो है that is 10, and our hash function is 2k plus 3, the same one. Okay, and we will use the division method, okay, and double hashing technique to insert these elements. As the name suggests, see, this double hashing technique means you are supposed to apply 2 times hash function. So you are given 2 hash functions. One is given, this one h1k 2k plus 3, and second hash function is given, that is h2k is 3k plus 1. That is why it is known as double hashing. 2 hash function you are given, h1k and h2k. Now what is the formula? Here in double hashing technique, if collision comes, okay, then you will apply double hashing technique, and where you will insert that element where collision comes. See, insert ki at first free place from u plus v into I mod m. Okay, and here I will range from 0 to m minus 1. This is the simple route. See, what was there in linear probing technique? You have insert ki at first free place from u plus I mod m. This was in linear probing. Okay, u is, you know, the location we will calculate using this hash function. When you apply this hash function on these keys here, then you will find out one location, and that location we have denoted that location with u. U plus I is same 0 to m minus 1, m is the size of hash table, and mod m. This was in linear probing. What was there in quadratic probing? It was u plus I square mod m. Insert ki at first free space from u plus I square mod m. This was the only difference. But what is there in double hashing technique? You have to insert ki at first free place from u plus v into I, then mod m. We already know what is u, what is I, what is m, but what is v now? Okay, now here the double hashing funda comes. You will calculate the value of v using that second hash function, and where the value of v would be calculated, v would be calculated like this. V is equal to h2k mod m. Okay, because we are using this division method. h2k, whatever the second hash function is given, mod m. This is how you will calculate this v. So we will have this u also, then we can calculate v also. I would have 0 to m minus 1, and m also we have, then we can easily resolve the collision. Okay, now let's start. See, we have this, the size of hash table is what? 10. Suppose this one is our hash table. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, from 0 to 9 we have this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is our hash table. Okay, now calculate. What is for first key is 3, and now we will calculate the location where you can insert this 3 in this hash table, and that thing you can say location, and that would be represented by u. Okay, second, in this case you are supposed to calculate v also when collision comes. What is value of v? and then also will calculate the number of probes, because sometimes you are asked how many number tell me the number of probes, total number of probes while you are inserting these keys into this hash table. Maybe this question can be asked. And second question is, maybe you can ask you will be asked that what is the order of these elements after inserting these elements in the hash table. Okay, I will calculate these three things. Now for 3, what is the location? Simply when there is no collision, then you will simply inserting these elements into this hash table. We will apply this h2k only in that case when collision comes. So for 3, find out this location u. How you will calculate? Apply this hash function h1k. h2k will be applied only in case of collision. Now what is this? 2 into what is value of k here? 3 plus 3. Fine, this one. And you are supposed to use this division method, then will this one is modulo m. M is what? 10. Fine. Okay, now what is this value? I think this would be 9. 3 into 6 is 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3 9, 9 more 10 is 9. Then go to the 9th place. Yes, this is free, we can insert 3 at this place. Okay, now calculate for key 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 mod 10, this would be 7. Go to the 7th place. Yes, this is free, we can insert 2 at this place. And for 3 and 2, we are not supposed to calculate the value of v because no collision comes, but we will calculate this probe. Probe is what? Synonym. Simply in English में अगर आप बोलो, then probe का synonym होगा that searching, or you can say some खोज करना or something like that. So you are inserting this 3. Okay, now you have to search this 9. Where is this 9? And you can simply insert this 3 at this place. So number of probe is only 1. For 2 also number of probe is 1, because you only search the location 3 and this one is free, you have inserted this 2 at this place. Now for next is 9. What is value of this? 2 into 9 plus 3 mod 10. What should be the value? We are calculating for this 9. I guess 21. This one is 21. 21 mod 10 is 1. Go to this place 1. Yes, this one is free, we can insert 9 at this place, and number of probe would be 1, and will not calculate value of v for 9. Now for 6. 2 into 6 plus 3, we are applying this hash function. Okay, and mod m value is 10. What should be this value? This one is 5. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 mod 10, that is 5. Go to 5th place. Yes, this one is free, we can insert 6 at this place. No need to calculate v, number of probe is only 1. Now for 11, here collision comes. 2 into 11 plus 3 mod 10, and it should be, I think 11, 22, 22 plus 3 is 25, 25 mod 10 is 5. This one is 5 also. Go to the 5th place. Is it free? No, we cannot insert 11 at this place because here we have already 6 is there. Now you have to resolve this collision, and what is there? You have to use double hashing technique. Okay. Okay. Now calculate. Now what would be applied in double hashing technique? Insert ki. Ki here is 11. You have to insert 11 at first free place from u plus v into I mod m. Now for 11, what is value of u? We already know this one is u, that is 5, plus what I would be from 0 to m minus 1. Now calculate value of v. You have to calculate value of v for 11. How to calculate value of v? V would be calculated like this: h2k mod m. Okay, and what is h2k here? h2k is given 3k plus 1. Calculate value of v for 11. What would be the value? See, h2k is what? 3k plus 1. 3 into, what is value of k? K is the key for which you are searching the location, or you can say at which collision comes, that is for which collision comes, the k is 11 plus 1, this one is h2k, and mod m value is same, that is 10. Now tell me what is the value? 11 into 3 is 33, 34 mod 10 is what? That is 4. Fine. Now value of V is 4. Now calculate, see, we can, you can't say ki insert this at this place 4 because this one is free. No, this one is value of V. You have to put value of V at this place and then you can calculate the free place or free location, you can say. Now calculate. U is what? For 11 U is what? 5 plus V is what? 4 into I value is, suppose starting में I की value is what? 0 and mod M, that is 10. 5 plus this one, this would be 0, 5 mod 10 is 5. Go to 5th place, but this is not free. Okay, कोई बात नहीं, हम क्या करेंगे, I value will go from 0 to m minus 1, then I value would now become 1. Now calculate 5, same value of u is 5 plus value of v is 4 into value of I would go from 0 to 1 and then mod 10. Calculate 4, that is this one is 5 plus 4, that is 9, 9 mod 10, that is 9. No, this one is not free, we cannot insert at this place. Okay, okay, कोई बात नहीं. Next, what is value of I now? 5 plus 4 into 0, 1. Now value of I would be 2 and value of u and v will remain same, mod 10. What is this value? 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 mod 10 is what? I guess 3. Now go to 3rd place. Yes, this location is free. We can insert 11 at this place. Okay. Now tell me number of probes for this 11. First probe is what? Firstly we go to this, when I की value 0 थी, firstly हमने क्या किया, हम 5th place पे गए, but that was not free. For first probe, then we went to 9th place, second probe, then finally we went to 3rd. Yeah, this one is free. So total number of probes are 3. Okay. Now let us take that another key, next one. Next one is what? 13. For 13, simply calculate value of u. Value of u would be calculated using this hash function, that h1k. 2 into 13 plus 3 and mod 10. What should be this value? 13 into 2 is 26. 26 plus 3 is, I guess, 29. 29 mod 10 is what? 9. This one is 9. Go to the 9th place. Oh no, this one is not free. Collision comes. Now you have to apply double hashing technique. Okay. We will calculate value of v first of all. What is value of v for 13? Value of v would be calculated using this formula, h2k mod m. Now what is h2k? 3k plus 1. Value of v would be 3 into, what is value of k here? 13 plus 1. h2k is this one, mod m. M is 10. Now what is this value? 13 into 3 is 39. 39 plus 1 is what? That is 40. 40 mod 10 is what? 0. Okay. Okay. Then v value is 0. Okay. We have calculated the v value. Now put this v value at this place. Okay. What is value of u for 13? That is 9. 9 plus v value is what? 0 and 0 into, at starting value of I is what, also 0, and mode 10. What is this value? That is 9 only. Fine. Now if you calculate another next free location, but 9 is not free now, then value of I would be 0 to 1, but value of V is 0 na. So here if you will put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or m minus 1, that is 9, then it would remain 0, and always the value would be 9 plus 0 mode 10, that is 9. Always you will get what? 9, but 9 is not free. So we cannot insert this 13 in this hash table. Okay, that is the another important point. See, although you have free spaces in hash table, but it is not necessary that all your keys would be inserted at this place. At sometimes maybe you will not able to find out the free location, but still there are free location, like in this case always you will get what? 9. It depends on these hash functions. Okay, maybe if you will change the hash function h2k something else, then value of V would not be 0, and then you can calculate the you can easily find out the free location. Okay, so it would be very necessary to choose the good hash function. In the next video I will tell you the properties of a good hash function. So this one is another case. We cannot insert 13 in this hash table. Okay, and that is fine. It is not the case that if 13 is not being inserted then it is wrong. No, that is fine. It is not necessary that you can insert all the keys in this hash table. Okay, that is fine. Now next, value of 13 ka we cannot insert, so leave it. Now next is 7. Calculate the value of u. 2 into, apply this hash function, 2 into 7 plus 3 mode 10, and the value would be what? I guess this 7 into 4 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 mode 10 is what? 7. Go to the 7th place. Oh no, this one is not free. Collision comes at 7th also. You have to calculate value of V for this one. What is value of V? This one, using this method, division method. h2k is 3k plus 1. 3 into k is what? 7, because we are calculating for this 7. Okay, plus 1, and mode we are calculating value of V, and mode m, that is 10. This would be I guess 2. 21 plus 22 mode 10 is 2. We have calculated value of V 2, but that is not the end. You are supposed to calculate the free location. This is V only. Okay, put this value of V at this formula. U is what? This 7. We have calculated for 7. U is what? 7. 7 plus V is what? 2 into 0. Starting में I value is what? 0. Mode 10. That is 7. 7 is already full. Okay. Next is 7 plus 2 into, increase I value by 1, that is 1. Mode 10. That would be 7 plus 2 is 9. Go to the 9th place. Oh, that is not free. Again, next 7 plus V value is 2 into, increase this value of I, that is 2. Mode 10. I guess this one is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 mode 10 is what? 1. Go to this 1st place. Oh, this one is also not free. Next is what? 7 plus 2 into, now I value would become what? 3 mode 10. And what is this value? I guess this one is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 mode 10 is what? 3. Go to the 3rd place. This is also not free. Now find out the next one. Next one would be, here I will calculate, 7 plus 2 into, now I value would become 4 mode 10. This one is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 15 mode 10 is what? 5. Go to the 5th place. This one is also not free. Now next, 7 plus 2 into, Now I value would be 5, from 4 to 5, and mode 10. Now this one is 10 plus 7, 17, 17 more 10 is 7. 7 is also not free. Okay. Next would be what? Increase the value of I from 5th to 6. 7 plus 2 into 6 mode 10. And what is this value? 12. 12 plus 7 is what? 19. 19 mode 10 is what? 9. Go to this 9th place. This one is also not free. कोई बात नहीं. This was 3. Increase this value by 1 on 7 plus 2 into 6 to now 7. Mode 10. Now this value is what? 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 mode 10 is what? 1. Go to this place. This one is also not free. Now next is what? 7 plus 2 into 8 mode 10. What is this value? This one is 16, and 16 plus 7 is what? I guess 23. 23 mode 10 is what? 3. Go to 3rd place. This one is also not free. Now increase value from 8 to 9, that is 7 plus 2 into 9 mode 10. This would be 18. 18 plus 7 is what? I guess 25. 25 mode 10 is what? 5. Go to the 5th place. This is also not free. Now increase value of I by 1. 9, say value of 1 is what? 10. But that is not possible because I would range from 0 to m minus 1. So here in this case from 0 to m minus 1, m is what? 10. 0 to 9 only. And we have already checked for all the possible value of I from 0 to 9. But we are not able to insert, we are not able to find out the proper place to insert this 7. Okay. So that is the only, that is also a case. Okay. Maybe you are not able to find out the free location. No problem. Okay. So we cannot insert this 7 also. 13 cannot be inserted. 7 is also, we are not able to insert this 7 also because we have checked all the possible options from ranging I from 0 to 9. No problem. For 12 now. What is value of this one? 2 into 12 plus 3 mode 10. What is this value? This one is I guess 7. 12 into 2 is 24, 24, 27, 27 mode 10 is what? 7. Go to the 7th place, but we are not able to insert because this one is already filled. So here collision comes. Now you have to calculate value of V for this 12. What is value of V? H2K mode M. H2K is this one. Value of V would be 3 into what is value of K? 12 plus 1 and mode 10. What is this value? I guess this would be 7. 12 into 3 is 36, 37, 37 mode, this one is 7. Okay, value of V. Now put value of V at this place, ranging I from 0 to 9. Value of U is what? 7. 7 plus 7 into, at starting, at the beginning, value of I is 0. Mode 10, this would be 7. Go to 7th place, we cannot insert. Increase value of I by 1. 7 plus 7 into 1 mode 10. What is this value? 7 plus this one 14. 14 mode 10 is what? 4. Go to this place. Yeah, this one is free. Oh, this time you are lucky. Here we can insert this 12. Okay. Number of probes For this 12 is what? I guess 1 and 2. And what is value of V for this one is 7. Okay. And number of probes, first was 7, that is not free, next was 4, but this was free, so number of probes are 2. 13 and 7 को sorry we didn't calculate number of probes, आप calculate कर लेना, but we are not able to insert 13 and 4 at this place. Okay, so no need to calculate वैसे number of probes for these, because in case you are not able to insert any keys, then obviously we cannot tell how many number of probes are there for 13 and 7. Okay, now if you are asked the order of elements after inserting these elements into the hash table, then how you will write the order? The order would be, see, first place is free, so first there would be free space and then you will write this 9. You will not written like this, simply you will 9, 11, then 12, then 6, 2 and 3. No, this is wrong. How you will write? First is free, then 9, then also free, then 11, then 12, then 6, then free, then 2, then free and then 3. This is the order of elements in the hash table after applying the double hashing technique. So this is the all about double hashing technique. Okay, 2 hash function would be there. One is this one, you will simply apply this hash function. In case collision comes, then you will use the double hashing method. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.